Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm bringing you guys my in-store Walgreens haul for this week. To me, it's kind of a slower week today, this week at Walgreens, but I do have a few deals that I'm going to do. So slow, but I'm gonna make it work for me. So first, I'm gonna be, this week we have that 10 time boost, 10 times everyday points when you spend $20. I'm going to be taking advantage of that boost as well as another deal, a spend 20 get 5,000 points deal. They will stack, so pretty much the 10 times everyday boost is just you get an extra 1,000 points for every $10 you spend. So I'm going to do, like I said, the spend 20 on select products and you're going to get back 5,000 points. So the first thing I'm going to get a pack of these Pampered diapers. They're priced at $9.99. And to pair with this, I have this $3 off coupon, this $3 off of one coupon, which is going to bring it down to just $6.99. Now, if you wonder where I get this coupon from, it is a part of a Pampers Rewards that I'm a part of. It's a free app, and that's how I got this $3 coupon. So I'm just going to be picking up one of these, and I'm going to put it in my cart, and then I'm going to be going to get the next item. So to finish off this spend 20 deal, I'm going to be picking up some Tide laundry detergent. So the Tide laundry detergent, the bigger bottles, they are on sale this week for $11.99. I think this qualifies for the 92 ounces as well as the 100 ounce bottles. So I'm going to pick up one of these 92 ounces priced at $11.99. And then there's a $3 digital on the app that I'm going to use that's going to attach to this, making it just $8.99. So all laundry detergent as well as Snuggle products, they're on sale this week for $2.99. Now we do have a $1 off digital, which will bring it down to just $1.99. Now there's only one digital, so it would attach to either one, but we did receive $1 off coupons for each one in today's inserts. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be picking up two of the all laundry detergent priced at $2.99. So that's going to make a total of $5.98. I'm going to use that $1 off digital as well as one of those $1 off paper coupons, which is going to make my total $3.98. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta because Ibotta is giving back $1 for each one with a limit of 2. So it's going to give me back $2, making my final cost $1.98 or 99 cents each. Now this is another Ibotta deal, however, I would not be doing it. So the Renewsits are on sale this week for 89 cents. As you can see, my store is empty. Anyways, they're on sale for 89 cents. So what you can do is pick up 6, which is going to total out to $5.34. Now we do have a buy 4 get 2 free digital coupon, which will drop it down to just $3.56. Then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta because Ibotta is giving back $2 when you purchase 5. So that's going to drop your total to $1.56 for 6 items or 26 cents each. Now, every time I have this, I do it. However, it did not reset for me. So I'm just letting you guys know about it. Also this week, a lot of the big stationery is on sale. So one thing you can do is pick up either the mechanical pencils or the highlighters or any of the items priced at $1.99. We do have a $1 off a big coupon, which would just make them just 99 cents. Now, I was really looking for the mechanical pencils because I use mechanical pencils, but my store is out. So, I mean, they have different things you can choose from. They have items that are $2.99, but the cheapest item would be, of course, to pick up one of the $1.99 items. What I think I'm going to do since my store is out of the mechanical pencils is just pick up a pack of pens, which will come out to the same price. So you can just, not these, as you can see, they're almost $7. So no, not those, but just look around your store and just look and see what's best for you, and then you can pick them. So I'm going to pick up one of these pack of pens for $1.99, and then it's going to be 99 cents after my coupons. Now it's time to announce the winner for the Walgreens $25 gift card. I just want to thank everyone who participated, and don't feel bad if you didn't win because it's going to be more in the near future. So the winner is Tabitha Ankowicz. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name, but she said, usually I just check customer service and they give me the points instead of the Catalina. Awesome haul though. Hashtag Walgreens. Well, congratulations, girl. Again, I do apologize for butchering your name, but I'm going to make it up to you by sending you this $25 gift card. Now you have 5 days to contact me. If I don't hear anything from you, then unfortunately I'm going to have to give someone else the gift card. I'm going to be picking up one of the Venus razors. So this week, the Venus razors are on sale for when you buy one, you get 3,000 points. Now, they range from $9.99 to $12.99. Of course, you can pick and choose to your liking. However, I'm going to pick the cheapest one. So I'm going to pick up one of these razors priced at $9.99. Now, there is a $4 digital. I've already used mine. So instead, I'm going to use that same coupon from the July P&G. So here it is right here, $4. So it's going to drop it down to $5.99. I'm going to get back 3,000 points, making these razors just $2.99. So really not bad. So let me just pick up one of these, and then I'll be moving on to my last items. So the last items I'm going to be picking up in this transaction, it's some Kellogg's cereal. So this week the Kellogg's cereal is on sale for $1.99. It looks like the Post cereal is on sale for $1.99 as well, but I'm getting Kellogg's. So we also have some Kellogg's rebates in Ibotta. So just check your app and see what rebates you have before you go into the store. So I'm going to be picking up one of these Frosted Flakes priced at $1.99, as well as the Fruit Loops. So two of them is going to total to $3.98. Then we have a 50-cent off coupon. Now it's only one coupon, so it's going to take off 50 cents. Then I'm going to submit to Ibotta. There's a 45-cent rebate for the Frosted Flakes, as well as a 60-cent rebate for the Fruit Loops. This is going to make the final cost $2.43 for both, or about $1.21 each. So that's a really good price for some cereal. So I'm going to be picking up my 2 boxes now. One last deal that I wanted to mention is on the Pringles. So this week they are priced 4 for $4. Now we do have a $1 off of 4 digital coupon, which will bring it down to $3. And then Ibotta is giving back 15 cents for each one. So that means you'll get back 60 cents, making all 4 of them $2.40, or about 60 cents each. Now I do not have that $1 off digital. My husband does, so I may do it on his account, but I still wanted to let you guys know just in case you do have that $1 off digital. So before coupons, my total comes out to $43.92. Now, I purposely wanted to go over at least $20 over the $20 threshold because I wanted to use 20,000 points, which is equivalent to $20. So using 20,000 points, I would still qualify for the 10 times every day, as well as that spend 20, get 5,000 points. So with that spend 20, get 5,000 points, I picked up the Pampers, and then I'm going to be using this 3 off of 1 paper coupon. Like I mentioned, I got this from being a part of the Pampers Rewards program, or the app. And then I'm going to be using all of my digitals, as well as my paper coupon for the Venus razors and my paper coupon for the additional all. That's going to bring my total down to $30.42. I'm going to use 20,000 points. It's going to drop my total to $10.42. But I'm going to get back a total of 10,000 and about 300 points. 5 for the spend 20 deal, 3 for the Venus razors, and then about 2,300 points for spending $23. Then I'm going to get back $2 from for the all rebate in Ibotta, as well as the $1.05 for the Kellogg's rebate. If you have one of those paper spend 20 get 5,000 point boosts, it will stack with this, so that way you'll be getting back 15,000 points. However, my store, the Catalina machine, is broken, so I haven't received any register rewards, any boosters, anything. So I'm just gonna take it for what it is. But like I said, this is everything, you guys. When I get to the car, I'll debrief and let you guys know what was what. So just stay tuned. Hey, you guys. So I made it back home. I just wanted to talk about my receipt here. So, but you see, I have different all detergent than the ones that I had picked up in the store. That's because for the Ibotta rebate, it says any size, but it excludes the free and clear. And if you remember in the video, that's the one I picked up. I didn't realize until I got in the car to take a picture of my receipt and to submit it to Ibotta, and then they said it didn't match. So I looked and it says, I saw the exclusion, so I'm like, okay, whatever. So what did I do? I went in the store and I exchanged it. So right here you see, oh, clear up. I returned the items and then I picked up these two. Okay, so I did that. So when you go in the store, do not pick up the free and clear because it clearly says that it excludes them. However, I picked up these and I was like, okay, well, I'll just, when I get home, I'll take a picture of this receipt and upload it so I can get my $2. It wouldn't scan. It kept saying that this didn't qualify. And I don't know how, because if you look at it on the app, it says any size, select varieties, and it just has the exclusion of the free and clear. So I don't know what's that about. Drop it in the comment section below if you picked up all and you were able to submit it to Ibotta with no issues. I don't know what to do because it's not really like there's a way to, there's no like customer service or anything like that. There's like a help thing, but you still have to take a picture of the receipt. I don't know. I'm gonna look into it. All I know is I didn't get my $2 on that. So that was a bummer. Everything else on the receipt, the calculations came out perfectly. Only thing is, of course, you know, Walgreens is, they're famous and they're known for their digitals not coming off. So my Tide coupon, the $3 coupon, did not come off. For the razors, the Pampers, this was the original receipt. They had the free and clear. So, but the Tide and the Kellogg's, the two Kellogg's, and the pens. So right here, you see all of my coupons came off except for the Tide. So it made my total $3 more. So it was $33.42, and then I used 20,000 in points. So $13.42 for this stuff instead of $10.42. So I called, of course you guys knew I called customer service. I called customer service and I was on hold for, it felt like about 25 minutes. Then I finally get someone and then she's trying to help me, but her system is updating. Technology, right? So I had to wait again, but it all worked out because she gave me my 3,000 points. She gave me my 3,000 points as well as an extra 3,000 points for the wait. So, I mean, I can't complain. So, I guess it kind of balanced everything out. I just take it as a way for not getting my $2 on Ibotta. So, it makes everything $1 cheaper than what I originally calculated when I went in the store. So, I can't complain. But yes, you guys, this is my haul. Like I said, it's not really a big... This week really isn't, I mean, it's a slower week, I'll say, so, but I can't complain. Also, again, just a reminder, that $3 coupon that I had on the Pampers, I got it from, I'm a part of the Pampers Rewards. I don't know if it shows you on the, let me see real quick if it shows you on the diapers, like where to go. It's an app. Oh, okay. So right here, you guys, the Pampers Club, it's an app. It's a free app. You just download it. And pretty much what you do is inside of your diapers, there's a code. Pretty much on the inside of this bag, anywhere when you open it, just like kind of have this. So it's a code, and on the app, you'll go, you'll scan that code, or if it doesn't work, you'll type in that code, and you just receive points for it. Same thing for wipes. I wish I had a pack of wipes in here. I'll show you. But there's going to be like a code that's like written on the wipes. You'll type that code in and you just get points. And then the points add up to dollar amounts, or you can buy things. Only downfall about this app is that them points accumulate so slow, I feel like. But yeah, that's it. Congratulations again to the winner. Remember, you have 5 days to contact me if I do not hear back from the winner, I will have to pull someone else. So you guys, make sure, get out of the way, make sure you have your notification, that notification bell is clicked. That way you will not miss out on any of my uploads, and you'll always know. Get out of the way. Ooh, you'll always know when I have a video uploaded and if you're the winner. That's all I have, you guys. I'm out because this boy is getting on my nerves. Okay, you guys. Until next time, you guys. Bye.